In this video, we're going from this to this. Let's get it going with the installation. Alright, so let's get it going with the installation. I got new grill by the YOTTO Overland. It looks like we'll have to remove a few clips. Got my screwdriver, got a prying tool. Thank you. And I have to remove a few pieces from here. Alright. Okay.
Yeah!
Pretty easy. Just have to yank it out those two spots from two spots over here on the side. That's good to go. Fitment and finish is pretty spot on. Looks just like OEM. The spots for the mounting bolts are right where they're supposed to be. Yeah, looks pretty good, really good. All right, let's put everything back on. Looks so much nicer, cleaner, lower profile, and more modern. Alright, so this is the final look after the installation of a 2024 model grill. I gotta say, it looks real nice. The paint match, like you can see, you can really tell the difference between this, and this. It all looks pretty much the same shade. No difference at all. It looks just like OEM. So I would say for $500, it's a real nice upgrade. It looks so much better, in my opinion. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. So I'm gonna put a link under the video for this grill, and you can use my code Motorhead963 for 10% discount. Highly recommended. Got the new rubber to the collection.